Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode at this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a deformable garage light. But definitely you guys are not restricted to just using in your garage. If you guys want to use somewhere else, you definitely can as well. But the one that we have right here is very unique and very different than other ones I've tested in the past. It actually has a lot more functionality if I were to compare this to other ones that I've tested in the past as well. But first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what's included inside first before we actually test it out. Alright, so when we first open it up, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So on the very bottom, they do provide guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to use the product itself and how to set it all up. And then right here we have the actual product itself. Let's take it out. Alright, so you can see that this is basically what the product looks like right here. So this part right here, it has a little cover for the actual light bulb part right here. So you guys want to unscrew this part right here to screw it onto your garage light or wherever you guys want to put it. And for this part right here, it's foldable. So if you guys extend it like this, you guys can go like that, and then you can go like this as well. So let's say if you guys don't want to use it, you guys can fold it back like that, and then you can go like this as well. And same thing for all the other ones as well. So I'm actually open up all of them and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys fully open it, it should look something like this. And you can angle it how you guys want to, like that, or like this, or like this, or like that. If you guys want to push it all the way back, you definitely can as well. So like this. Same thing for these as well. Alright, the rest fold it all the way back. You can see that this is how far it can go. But you can definitely see how cool the product is. You can fold it all the way up or all the way down. You just can't go left and right. And since each part right here has two, like two here, two here, two here, and two here, you definitely get a lot more lighting as well. So that way it actually brightens up your garage or wherever you plan on using it. So first thing they actually mentioned about the product itself is the fact that it's not supposed to be flickering when you actually use the product itself. But we can't find that out until we use it more and more over time and see how the progress is for the product itself. And last but not least, the product itself, it definitely has a heat dissipation as well. So that way it's actually safe for you guys to actually use it and actually helps cool down the product itself from overheating and everything. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Let's go assemble this and show you guys how to assemble it first. And then we'll test it out and see how well it works. Alright, so we got the light right here. I'm gonna change it right here. Obviously I'm not in a garage, but I can definitely use it here as well. So I'm gonna take this off first. And I want to insert this into here. So when you actually insert into here, you guys want to make sure this is closed up because you guys don't want the light to shine at you. So once you guys assemble it, it should look something like this. Alright, so it should look something like this once you guys fully assemble it. Let's turn on the light. Alright. So you can see it's definitely super bright, but we didn't have it open up yet. But this is basically what it looks like. Now let me actually open up and show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys fully expand the product itself. Alright, so you can open up like that if you guys want to, so that way one of the light is going down and other one is going that way. Let me turn it on and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, let's turn it on and see what it actually looks like. Alright, so you can definitely see how bright it is. If I bring it towards the wall right here, you can see how bright it is. And then right here is the floor. So definitely give you guys a lot of coverage in terms of how bright the light is. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that definitely worked pretty well. It's definitely much more powerful and much brighter than other garage lights that I tested in the past because of the fact that this one has a lot more of the light panels on here that a lot of the other ones do not have, which is definitely really cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that this product is actually super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for like a really bright garage light to use, whether you guys want to use it in a garage, in your home, living room, or somewhere else. Wherever you guys decide to use it, that's up to you guys. But it's definitely really cool how you guys can actually adjust the angles of the light as well. So it's actually target down here, to the sides, from the front, back, or wherever. You guys can do all of that on here, which is super awesome. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.